Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jolty, and I'm doing some game giveaways. To be entered, all you have to do is be an active subscriber with post notifications turned on, hit that like button, and most importantly, comment down below what you want. Remember, the more times you comment, the more times you like, the higher chance you'll have of winning. So make sure you go and smash the like button. Alright, so with that being said, let's get right into the video. Today I'm showing you how to get free PlayStation games, PlayStation exclusive games on your computer. I'm not sure if many people know of this, but I just wanted to make it like an announcement kind of thing. It's called PlayStation Now, and it's like really cool. You get a 7-day free trial. Honestly, if you want, you can just make it unlimited, just keep on making accounts, like whatever. But I'm gonna show you how to set it up. All you have to do is go to this website. For some reason it says that you have to go to psnow.com, but when you go to that website, it shows a 404 error for some reason, I'm not really sure. So I'll link this in the description below. All you need is like a decent PC that can run them, and some kind of controller. Like, it's kind of ironic, I use an Xbox One controller when I'm playing them. I'm gonna walk you through the steps really quick here. So on this page, I'll link this in the description, just click on subscribe, and it takes you here. If you don't have an account, you can just create one. It's pretty simple, just put in your address, and you need to confirm this address to make sure it works. Put in your date of birth, it doesn't really have to be accurate or whatever, probably want to make it over 18. I'm not sure if you need any of this stuff to be really true, I don't think you do. Just put in a password. The password for this is like kind of pesky because you can't have a sequence of 3 letters or numbers in order. Alright, confirm you're not a robot. And for these last 2 checkboxes, you don't have to check them to sign up. Last step, click on agree, create my account. Your online ID, you'll have to choose one. I'm obviously not going to show you guys my address and stuff, so I'm going to cut past this, alright? You have to verify your email. So I just finished verifying it. You actually need to enter some kind of billing information to make this purchase to get the 7-day free trial. So I'm going to cut over this because I don't want you guys to see any of my personal information to log into this, because I'm actually using a virtual visa to do this. Just make sure, if you don't want to get redeemed every month, just cancel it on the last day. Once you finish all of those steps, you just have to click on subscribe right here. And once you subscribe to this, it costs $0, so don't be worried. On the 7th day, it'll charge you $20 for each month, so make sure you cancel it before then. So click on confirm purchase, continue shopping. So once you finish all those steps, it'll take you right to this page. From here, you want to click on games, and then on the left side, right below featured, go down to PlayStation Now and click on that. From here, you want to click on this. It says download PS Now for Windows PC. So it takes you here, just click on the download the app, and that should start downloading. That just finished downloading. I think it took like about a minute or two, and it should give you this file, the PlayStation Now, what version it is, .exe. Just double click it to run it, and the installer should start. It popped up there, you just have to click yes. If you don't know what to do, just press next, press accept, click on next. This is where you want to install the files. If you want to create shortcuts for PlayStation Now in the following locations. And then the last step is just press and install. There's no like adware or any bloatware. Then in the bottom here, it should request. And I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see this, but you just have to press yes. Then you just have to wait for it to complete installing. This is going to pop up, and you want to press always trust software from Sony Computer Entertainment, or else you're going to have to keep on accepting it over and over. Press install. So that finished relatively quickly, and you can just launch it right here. I'll do that for you guys down here. This is just the shortcut to start this up. Starting it up for the first time, it takes a little while to load everything up. So it finally finished loading after a couple minutes. Enter your date of birth and stuff. You don't have to do that right off the start. You can just go to the top right and click sign in. And remember the account that you just made to sign in to download this? That's what you're going to enter here. Just finished logging in. Goes back to the loading screen. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Alright, that was really quick. That was like maybe 2 minutes. This is basically what it's going to show you once you log in here. I'm just going to make it full screen. You can scroll up, scroll down, like scroll to the side and stuff. It gives you different categories here, like pretty much what's popular. A lot of these games are exclusive games for the PlayStation. Search through all these games, check out what you want. I think most of the games on here are single player games, but I mean, there's hundreds of games on here, and these are like AAA game titles, and you're getting them all for free to play. I know I played The Last of Us on here a couple times. The actual reason I got this program was to play The Last of Us because I don't have a PlayStation or anything like that. I searched around the internet and I found this. All you have to do is press start on the game. You have to have a controller connected once you get into this menu. So I'm just going to start up my Xbox One controller. If you're not using like a DualShock PlayStation controller, it still works. A couple things like the touchpad that don't really work. The motion control isn't supported. The button labels, if you're using an Xbox or some other kind, they're going to be different. Just say you got it. It shows you that you can play your games anywhere. One of the best parts of this is that you don't have to download the game. It's in the cloud somewhere. You can just play the game. You don't have to download. It does take some time to prepare though, because it has to connect to their servers and stuff. if you're trying to use a mouse in this, it won't work. You can save your data and it uploads it straight to the cloud. So you can use this anywhere you want. Like I was saying, if you're trying to use it with a mouse, if you click on it, just nothing happens here because you need a controller to play this game. It doesn't matter what kind, you could use like a Rock Candy, an Xbox 360, Xbox One, PS4 controller. Just press escape on your keyboard if you want to exit a game. It takes you to this screen and you can change the settings on your controller and such. Just close the game. I know this game's on Steam and everything like that, but you have to buy it on Steam. On here you can just play it for free. The audio works flawlessly, the video works flawlessly. Just delete the installation file. Keep this one as a shortcut right there. I recommend going into your account settings in the top right. There's a drop down menu, go to account settings. After you click on that account settings menu, it should take you here. Then after it takes you here, you want to go to the top left, click on dashboard. Go to the very bottom, it says wallet. Your payment method should be here. Click on manage payment methods. It should show you your payment methods in this section. You could have clicked on your wallet, but then it just shows you your wallet usually, and it doesn't show you your payment method, which is kind of weird. Delete the payment method so you won't be charged. See at the top here, it says your payment method has been removed. That means you still have 7 days left. They won't charge you automatically to redeem another month. You can even add a PayPal like to this, so if you have a PayPal and you don't have a credit card, you can just put your PayPal information in here. But remember to delete it after you sign up if you don't want to continue the service automatically. But if you don't want to remove your payment method because like you just don't want to do that because you continue using your account to buy stuff, what you can do to save yourself from being charged automatically, down here in the wallet settings, it says the top ones require a password. This one, usually I'd like to keep it on, but it's off by default. The one below here, it says automatically add funds to renew subscriptions or pay for pre-ordered content. I like this one turned off because then it won't charge you. To change it, click edit, and then just press no for the bottom one because you don't want to be automatically charged. Then click save. Just double check to make sure they've been saved here, and it looks like they have. So now you won't be charged every month. But honestly, this is such a good service. I really like this service because it has all the exclusives that you're missing out on from PlayStation. You can just play them here on your computer if you don't have a PlayStation or anything like that. Because I don't have a PlayStation and this is just really helpful. I honestly recommend buying one of these subscriptions. Even though it's like you're not getting online games, you're getting hundreds and hundreds of AAA titles for such a low price. Like usually one AAA title costs around $60. And for here for 1 month it's $20, for 3 months it's $45, for 12 months it's $100. And this, I think this is in Canadian, I'm not sure, it might be in US. But honestly, I just recommend purchasing one of these if you're just going to continuously keep on playing games. It's just such a good deal, honestly. You won't be able to have online access, which I know for a lot of people, it's like, that's one of the most important reasons why people play games, just to play with other people, because it's way more fun that way. But these are just mainly like single player title games anyways. So there's not much you're going to miss out on for multiplayer. There's a couple exceptions, of course, like Borderlands. If you want to play that online, you don't have the opportunity to do that. I just recommend getting it on Steam if you want, because if you're playing Borderlands by yourself, it's maybe like half as fun if you're playing it with a bunch of people. Maybe like even less than half as fun. But you can get Borderlands or like any of those games for quite a cheap price on Steam as well. I have a video I just recently posted talking about how you can get games for quite cheap, and I'll link that here. I'll also link it at the start of the video just in case people don't see it. But this has been Jolty. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to drop a like. Tell me if you like this video and if you actually signed up for this, because it's quite a good deal. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
There's like 3 on C right now. Yeah.
We have lost objective George.
Drive me, dude.
We have taken objective Duff.
Except I'm on fire.